We do begin in Austin, where prosecutors announced that deal with Paxton just after 9 a.m. Houston, rather. It's a case that could have ended in significant prison time for our state's top law enforcement officer. Reaction is coming in from both sides right now. Our investigative reporter Tanya Iser has followed Paxton's legal troubles for years now and joins us right now outside of that courthouse in Houston where this all went down. Tanya?
Hey, Cleo, it's been almost 9 years, and in less than 10 minutes, we saw a conclusion to this case. Attorney General Ken Paxton, he officially entered a deal with the special prosecutors in this case that accused him of defrauding investors, and it allowed him to avert a trial which would have started on April 15th. And we watched in court as Paxton, his attorney Dan Cogdill, and special prosecutor Brian Weiss signed the agreement in court. Weiss outlined the terms of the deal. Paxton will be required to make full and complete restitution to the victims of the case, and that'll be just south of $300,000. He'll have to complete 100 hours of community service in Collin County, which is where he lives, and 15 hours of legal ethics training. And he'll also be supervised by the special prosecutors for 18 months while he completes the terms of the deal. But in doing so, Paxton waived his right to a speedy trial, and the judge made sure to tell him that if the terms of the deal are violated, she will quickly move to set a trial date. Now let's take a listen to what Brian Weiss and Dan Cogdill had to say after the deal became official.
Today's agreement brings finality to this process. And make no mistake, it's difficult for me to believe, as I was when I was running yesterday, that it's been 9 years almost to the day that I took the oath of office in this case.
And this is the first time we really had an actual trial date, so they did what they should have done, interviewed the witnesses. I would argue that they should have interviewed them 9 years ago, but they came to, in my opinion, a rational and reasoned decision and decided to offer pretrial diversion.
There was no
The deal not only allowed the Attorney General to avert trial, but it also allowed him to make no admission of guilt or innocence either way. And Cogdill said it's a good deal for his client because it ensures that the cases are dismissed. Weiss also called it a good deal for the victims because prior discussions of an agreement had not included restitutions. And he read a statement from the families of the victims who said they were pleased with the outcome. Weiss and the other special prosecutors, now they have not been paid on this case since 2016, and Weiss says he'll resume the fight to get paid, and he says he's owed about $350,000. Back to you.
All right.